In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Hostinger coupon code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find reliable discounts, how to apply them at checkout, and a few smart tips to make sure you're getting the best possible deal on hosting, domains, website builder, VPS, and more. Start with the most reliable source, Hostinger's own coupons page at hostinger.com/coupons. This page is updated regularly and often has the biggest savings, sometimes up to around 80 to 85% off on plans like single, premium, and business shared hosting, as well as VPS and cloud hosting. When you open that page, you'll usually see a code already applied or a clear button that adds the discount to your cart. From there, choose your plan, select your billing cycle, and proceed to checkout. If you see a promo field, paste the code shown on the coupons page, apply it, and confirm that the total updates before you pay. A quick tip: the longest billing periods usually unlock the highest percentage off, but always check the renewal price so there are no surprises later. You can also look at third-party coupon sites that aggregate deals. These might include a small extra percentage off, special student promotions, or domain-specific offers. Some examples include coupon directories like CouponFollow, GrabOn, Love Coupons, Picody, or Worthy Penny. Because these aren't official Hostinger pages, not every code will work, and some deals only activate if you click through their link. If a code doesn't apply, try opening a fresh browser window. Temporarily disable any strict ad blockers that could interfere with tracking, and then recheck the cart total. Never enter any personal details on unfamiliar sites. You should only apply codes at Hostinger's checkout. Timing matters too. Hostinger frequently offers major discounts during big events such as Black Friday and Cyber Monday, as well as holiday and seasonal promotions. During these windows, homepage banners and coupon fields may deliver the deepest cuts of the year. If you can wait for a sale, compare the price you see today with those event windows and watch for countdowns or end dates that signal when a deal is about to expire. Finally, keep an eye out for exclusive or affiliate codes from trusted creators or reviewers. These sometimes stack on top of standard discounts or apply to specific regions. If a code fails, it may be expired or limited by plan or location. In that case, fall back to the official coupons page, apply the site-listed code, and verify the final total. That's it. Start with the official page, compare with reputable coupon sites, watch seasonal events, and test exclusive codes. Enjoy the savings.